What's up, people? The Department of Homeland Security and Immigrations and Custom Enforcements are trolling the internet, okay? The Department of Homeland Security isn't going after terrorists. They're going after some guy. They just arrested some guy because his website links people to other websites, okay? Same thing with Immigrations and Custom Enforcement. This is where it's clear and apparent that the Department of Homeland Security is not interested in terrorists. They're interested in arresting American citizens. Another example of this is when the government kicked in the door of Tommy Chong and arrested Tommy Chong, put him in prison, okay? They didn't go after some drug-crazed, bloodthirsty cartel. They went after Tommy Chong. They went after a comedian, some guy who tells jokes. Okay, that was Tommy Chong's freaking crime, is that he tells freaking jokes, okay? Now, this abuse of power, this abuse of our government has got to stop. We have to think and vote outside of the Democratic Republican box, okay? We need to think and vote outside of the Democratic Republican box. I recommend the Libertarian Party. Why? Because the Libertarian Party is pro-freedom, pro-constitution, pro-Bill of Rights. They want to eliminate victimless crimes, okay? If you want your personal liberties, you want your personal freedoms, your basic freaking civil and constitutional rights, vote for the Libertarian Party, okay? Because this Republican Democratic BS has got to stop. The Department of Homeland Security needs to go after terrorists. They need to go do what we pay them to do, you know, what we get taxed for. They're supposed to be going after terrorists, not people on the internet making websites. Okay, this is crap. Same thing with the immigration. They're supposed to be keeping the Mexicans out of America, and they're on the internet trolling. I mean, what were they on? Here's probably what happened, okay? They probably got a stack of files that big, and they're all on the internet, you know, trolling. Oh, who could we bust so I can get off doing this big old stack of paperwork? You know, what is it? That's not it's not the job of the Department of Homeland Security and Immigrations to freaking arrest people who make websites that link people to other websites, okay? That's not a crime. We need to contact our senators and our congressmen, the President of the United States, and we need to say, free Mr. Brian McCarthy, because he didn't break any laws. He got unjustly arrested, like Tommy Chong got unjustly arrested. The Department of Homeland Security should be going after terrorists, not American citizens. Yeah, I know. I feel like drinking with Bob right now.